Ho, ho, ho! What a wonderful time of the year to share a bit of joy and gratitude. Let's begin our holiday message with a smile and a sparkle in the air. As the days grow shorter and we make the lights twinkle, let's take a moment to breathe, remember all you achieved this year, and knowing we are here. The season reminds us what is important. Thank you for this amazing year. Your courage, support, and ability to see past the veil have made all the difference. We're so grateful to have you with us on this journey. Together, we've achieved so much this year. New milestones, new dreams, new successes. Let's keep that spark alive as we move into the next chapter. From all of us, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and an incredible New Year. May the season bring you love, rest, and a reason to smile every day. See what magic we have in store for you in the coming year.